Hi there, in this video I would like to show you different variations of the design which we produced for our client, and I would like to tell you the history of this project. There is a client in America which I know for a very long time. In the beginning we've been friends and we knew each other for about 2 years, but we have not done any business together. We've been talking about it, thinking on how to start, and we started with this collection which you can see behind me. The way we started, I basically was asking my client, okay, what sells well for you at the moment? Let us look at it and develop something different, but with that DNA, so this collection would have the same success as your current product. And this is what we did. We looked up at his best-selling product, which you can see here, and then we started to develop our design. We developed a similar collection which is different enough but has the DNA, so we can count on the success at his market. And you can see the render here, and from that render we started to run our first production. The first version of this design was just in a different color. This current samples is a different finish, so it's a different color, and also the brushing, it's a little bit more wire brushed in comparison with the first version. First version was smooth. Everything else was the same, but the color and the fabric is different. Here, to match the main color, we needed to change the fabric on the headboard as well, and also the color on the apron. A beautiful feature about this collection is the veneer. We are choosing expensive acacia veneer without notes, so we can apply different colors and the final consumer won't be able to tell what wood we are using. Plus, we are choosing the colors to make the wood look like walnut, expensive species of timber. We have clients in different markets, and we have a client in Australia who got interested in this collection, but because the markets are different, we needed to modify the design. So we developed the third version of this collection for Australia. For that version, we needed to remove this shelf here and make the drawers go the whole way through. And for the bedside, we needed to make 2 drawers bedside for Australian market. Guys, if you're in furniture industry and didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to this channel, click like, click the bell button, and thank you for watching.